Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the address of operator, which is represented by the ampersand symbol. So what does this operator do? Well, it allows us to get the memory address of a variable, which is super important when you are working with pointers and need to manage memory efficiently. So in C++, when we declare a variable and assign a value to it, that value gets stored in a specific memory location. This memory location has its own unique address in hexadecimal format. It's like a home address of this variable in the computer memory. Now with the address of operator, we can access this home address of a variable. The syntax for this is very simple. Just to use the ampersand symbol before the variable name. Let's try this in VS Code. Here we have declared two variables of integer and string type and assigned them some values. Then we have used cout statement to print out the values of those variables. And I have used the address of operator to print out the memory address of those variables. Let's save and run this. So we can see the output. We are getting values as well as address of those variables. You might be thinking, but why we should care about these memory addresses? Well, that's a great question. The answer lies in pointers, which is a topic we will explore in the upcoming tutorials. But for now, just know that understanding memory addresses is very crucial when you start dynamic memory allocation and pointers. So here I have created those variable in a static memory locations. However, when something is created using a pointer, it is stored in a dynamic memory allocation. So these concepts will be covered in more detail in upcoming video tutorials. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.